This short instructional video will demonstrate the process of generating a client presentation within the ProSeries Professional Tax Program. Before we get started, here are some important facts you need to know. The client presentation document can only be generated from the ProSeries Professional Tax Program. This feature is not available in the ProSeries Basic program. To utilize the client presentation feature, you must have Microsoft Excel installed on the machine running the ProSeries tax program. It is only for use with individual tax returns. The client presentation offers the most impactful information when you have prepared last year's tax return, so the client presentation will show two-year comparison. To view or edit the client presentation, you must be inside a client file. From Homebase, choose a client file to open so you will be able to access the client presentation. On the menu bar at the top of the program, select the Tools menu option, and in the drop-down list, select Client Presentation to open a submenu. Notice on the submenu you have 4 selections to choose from. View Client Presentation in Excel to view the completed presentation. Edit Client Presentation in Excel to edit the presentation. Please use caution. Edit at your own risk, and be advised the ProSeries support does not provide assistance when editing the client presentation document. Next, we have the Restored Default Client Presentation. This will save you if you totally destroy the client presentation. It will put you back in the program default, and all changes you have made will be lost. And last on the list is Print with Return Setup. Let's start our detailed discussion with this choice. When you click this choice, the Printer Center window will open. Under the Global option, select Print with Return if it is not already highlighted. In the right-hand window, find the Client Presentation line, and now you will select the printout you want the client presentation to print with, the filing copy, client copy, or preparer copy. I will select the file copy, so I have a copy with my record of the return and of course the client copy. After making your selection, click the OK button at the bottom of the screen to save your selections. Next, let's look at the client presentation. The client presentation is designed as a cover document to be provided to your client as a review of this year's return versus last year. As you review the client presentation document, make note of any changes you may need or want to make. The cover page personalizes the document and return for your client. Page 2 is the bottom line analysis of this year's return versus last year's numbers. It provides a graphical comparison for impact in addition to numeric comparisons. Next is review of standard or itemized deductions year over year. Then there is a detailed 2-year comparison of tax line items. The final page provides customized personal tax advice based on the client's return. The ProSeries program analyzes the return for tax savings opportunities and presents them in a simple, actionable list. Once you have reviewed the client presentation document and noted any changes you want to make, you can edit the template to customize the client presentation to fit your practice. From the Open Client file, go to Tools, Client Presentation, and Edit in the submenu. Notice that a caution window opens as you enter Excel editable format. Any changes here will apply to all client presentations generated. As you can see, once open, the client presentation is in a standard Excel file and can be easily edited to customize and personalize your client presentations. Please pay special attention to page 5 of the client presentation. This area of the client presentation provides tax-saving advice generated by ProSeries. Do not make any changes to these fields. However, the opening paragraph and closing can be edited and personalized for your firm. You should now be able to open, review, and customize your client presentation. Again, please note any changes you make are at your own risk. Our ProSeries support staff do not provide support when editing the client presentation document. Should you need to reset the client presentation back to the default, you can do this through the Client Presentation submenu by selecting Restore Default Client Presentation.